sa amin po yung mga kasama namin. 5 piraso kami. This is our colleague.
You want cash?
I didn't. That's why I was saying if you want to buy something, you can buy with my card.
I'm not going.
Where you go, sister? Where you going?
I'm just going on the couch here. I want to make some noise. You look nice.
Ah,
by the
okay.
way.
I want coffee.
Tara tayo, bitay kopi tayo.
I'm going there.
You want where you
When
going?
we're going.
Sister, you buy coffee?
When you want.
Take lang si nagpas man.
Tara, bili tayo, day. Bili tayo kape.
Ha?
I'm a vlogger.
You're a vlogger?
Yala, guys. Day, saan po tayo? Bili tayong kape, day. Sa baba, day. Tara. Huh? This is my sister, my colleague. What's your name?
African sister, Boya.
Boya, this is Boya. Di ka mabiling kape, day?
Maliit. Are you going out?
Siyempre, mag-post-post lang ka. Sister, you buy coffee? You buy coffee? Where you go? Ah, only talking phone. This is our colleague. What's your name? What's your name?
Why are you recording?
No, I'm vlogger. I'm vlogging YouTube.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes. Can you follow my YouTube?